Anil Kapoor's TV series 24 was a big hit with the masses, and we hear that the actor is all set to being for the second season soon. At present, the Dil Dagne Do actor finds himself as loggerhead with the Tamil superstar Surya, who recently announced that his film will be called 24, which is exactly similar to the Anil series name. Apart from the name, reports suggest that the logo of the title is very similar to that of the American TV series 24, and this has invited trouble as the remark rights of the same had been taken by Anil from 20th Century Fox International as a couple of years ago. The series was presented in Hindi on channel Colors. Anil confirming the news told an entertainment portal, "As we are from the same fraternity, I spoke to Surya before I take any strict legal action, as in send his notice. He said he would speak to his team and get back to me. What got me to take this step was the way the title of the film 24 looked, and the logo, which is very similar to our TV series, which has done one very successful season on Colors. It is something I thought I should protect as much as I can." Reports suggest that Nayak and Nayak Company, which is represent the actor, has already prepared the notice and has asked 20th Century Fox International to file the case of passing off. And Amit Nayak of Nayak and Company told the portal, "Producers have become more vigilant in protecting their titles and enforcing their rights, and in several cases matters have been resolved at the notice stage without intervention of courts. With the mammoth success of the first season of 24 in India and the second season being under production, Anil Kapoor is very determined to seek the protection of the title 24 in India by initiating legal action against the producers of the South India film under the title 24.